Like the I want to say the small work. It's not small, but the work that I do daily to help people stay grounded. And at this point it's more about staying grounded and clearing, although I love doing the work that's more about expansion and who am I and where am I going. There's that, but it's mostly just like understand right relationship, reciprocity, right? And being in connection with the earth, because now you really need it, because that's the protection. I'm doing that. It's as if I feel like I'm prepping soldiers. I'm prepping little warriors, because the minute we will have peace, it will. Everything changes, everything passes. This shall pass. But the question is, what will happen once it passes? And it's like we need to be not ready. We need to already start. Like we're already starting, and that's what they mean, like of the new world being built on top of the old. I see this happening, and it's so intense. I know it's some places in the world, like even where you are, right? Or Costa Rica or this, there's these communities where you could just be in this new world vibe. I would
Yes.
say that I'm in the line. I'm on the line. I'm on the line on the front. There's different warriors and soldiers have different positions, posts. So I feel that I'm on the post of like front line, which means holding it together, calming down the nervous system as much as possible, understanding what is in my control, what is out of my control, like, teaching other people what it means to find security from looking at the sky and connecting to a bird, like finding those ways where you can't trust anything around you other than yourself and connecting to yourself. I'm doing this in the front lines, as you're doing it also, as we all are. We all signed up for this. And I think that we all signed up for this from those prayers for peace, from asking for a healthier, more united and loving future for our children and our grandchildren. So I don't know how much of that I will have in my lifetime, but I can feel that I'm working on it. And I just need to keep following, and my child will have peace, and my grandchildren will live in peace. I truly trust it, because it has to. And there's too many coincidences, basically, that spirit is saying, "Here, I'll make you strong. This is no joke. This is it. This is the thick of it." So if this is the thick of it, what is to come afterwards? We need to keep that the heart centered path, and just like pushing people one by one to like cross over to the other side. We have cookies. I
Yeah. I
hope
just
that
want to,
answered
yeah,
that.